Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about Sunworks INC, and what you can see is the long-term chart for that particular script. Now understand this, if and whenever you are looking at a long-term chart, you should understand one thing, that a trend will definitely take lots of time to create or to break. Okay, so things won't happen in couple of days, it will probably takes couple of months for the trend formation. Now what you can see here, I have already drawn some support and resistance level on the up as well as on the downside. And now what you can see here, that the stock has been consolidating inside the range since 2007, where we have fixed support and resistance. You have your support at $2.03, and we have $1.78 on the lower side, and on the upper side we have our resistance at 56.31. Okay, now what has happened, so the stock has been consolidating inside the range since 2007 till 2019, where it falls below the trading range and it technically breaks down and it falls or made a new low of 0.29. Okay, so this is what you can see. Now the new range or the current range for this stock is 0.29 on the downside, and we have a resistance on or at $2.03, or in between 1.78 to $2.03 on the upside. Now unless the stock goes above 2.03 or 2.1 and settles over there, we can't say that the trend has formed on the upper side. Okay, so let the stock move above and enters inside this trading range, which, let me just highlight this range. So this is the trading range what you need to look at. Now you have a breakdown, so unless the stock moves above 2.03 and enters inside the range, we can't say that the correction is over, and the stock may consolidate in between this current range. And if it falls below 0.29, then there will be a fall further on the downside. So that's a risk you want to, or you need to look at and take decisions accordingly for that. Now once the stock moves above 2.1 and settles uh, above that, so the old range get activated, then you have your target. So if it settles above 2.03 or 2.1, then we have a target or big target of 13.7 on the upside and 56.37 afterwards, which will be your upcoming target or resistance. Let me just remove this line, this is not required for the time being. So this is your entire range, and now with this broken trend, so we have to see whether it will sustain in between the current trend or it will break down. But it won't go up unless the stock, like this you can see a shadow, or what has happened in the days, that it went up till 4.43 but unable to sustain over there and falls back below 1.78. So these type of things is not accepted. So the stock needs to close and sustain above 2.03 or 2.1, then only we can say that the old range has been activated, where you can find the resistance level or the target level on the upside. uh, First will be 13.7 and then we have 56.31. Now let me tell you again that this is a long term trend. It will probably take couple of months for this trend uh, to change or to happen. These kind of things, it will probably take time. So what you need to do here, just look at the support and resistance level and take decisions accordingly. And you need to know about your risk and put your stop loss beforehand. Do not just jump into the trade and just think that now what should I do if the thing goes or doesn't go in my favor. So these things should not happen after you put your money. This thing must be planned accordingly and beforehand, and you take your decisions. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.